Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we discuss high-impact news events that are coming our way very soon. In today's video, we'll be discussing the dates of the 21st through the 24th, that is Wednesday through Saturday. Beginning with Wednesday, we will see news early on out of the UK at 2 a.m. Eastern Time, followed by 10 a.m. Eastern Time news, but this time out of the US. It is also worth noting that a bank holiday will begin in China on Wednesday, but it will also carry into Thursday. Thursday, we'll see high-impact news at 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time out of Switzerland, and then again out of the UK at 7 a.m. Then we move across the pond. In the US, we'll have news at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time and 10 a.m. respectively. As we work our way into Friday, we will see a variety of flash manufacturing releases across Europe, beginning at 3:15, 3:30, 4:30, and then we work our way across the pond again, where we have the final flash manufacturing PMI coming at us out of the US at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. There's nothing going on Saturday, so enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next one.